So we have programs to calculate electricity bill. Different variants in calculating electricity bill. So look at the first program. So what are the conditions? For the first 50 units it is 3 rupees 50 per unit, and for the next 100 units it is 4, and next 100 it is 5.20, and above 250 it is 6.50, and so on. So based on these conditions we have the program. So what is the input here? Number of units. So look at the if condition. If units less than or equal to 50, and of course units must be greater than or equal to 0, then your bill is 3.50 per unit. Bill is equal to units multiplied by 3.50. So your first condition, up to 50 units it is 3 rupees 50 NP per unit. So the next condition, the next 100 means greater than 50 and less than or equal to 100. So 51 to 100 units. So units greater than 50 means 51 units to 100 units. Bill is up to 50 units it is 350. So 50 multiplied by 350 plus excess of 50. So units minus 50 and multiplied by 4. This notation is very important for us. Up to 50 units it is 350. So excess of 50 is unit 4 rupees per unit. Similarly, the next condition, 151 to 250. Up to 50 units it is 350, and up to 100 units it is 4, and excess of 150 is 5.20. These notations are very important for us in calculating electricity bill. So if units greater than 250, up to 50 units it is 350, and 100 is 4, and 100 is 5.20, and excess of 250 is 6.50 per unit. So otherwise this last printf statement will be executed. You need to enter valid units. So we have a second program and another variant where we have something like surcharge. Look at the declarations. Int unit, AMT, total amount, and surcharge. All the three are declared as float. No confusion regarding variable names. So we can have an underscore. Underscore is allowed during variable names. So if unit is less than or equal to 50, unit or units, it doesn't make any difference. Your amount is multiplied by 0.50, and if it is less than or equal to 150, what do you mean by less than or equal to 150? Less than or equal to 150 means greater than 50 and less than or equal to 150. You can write an if statement like this. So instead of writing unit greater than 50 and less than or equal to 150, you can else if unit less than or equal to 150 is, you can write. So 25 plus, so excess of 50 is 0.75. What is 25 here? Up to 50 units it is 0.50, is nothing but 25. So similarly we have up to 250, and otherwise it is 220 plus and so on. You need to make some calculation here and go through each and everything, and what exactly is that 100 and what is 220, you can check it out. So look at the comments part. You are calculating a total amount after adding some surcharge. So %.2f is used to print fractional values up to 2 decimal places. The default number of decimal places in %f are 6. So we have another variant, program number 3, where customer number is added. Enter customer number and number of units. Units less than or equal to 200 is 0.50, and greater than or equal to 201. Look at these conditions. No confusion regarding these type of conditions. In the previous program we didn't use this logical AND operator. Instead you can directly use a simple if statement. So 201 to 400 is something, and 401 to 600, and other than that is 390 plus 1 rupee excess of 600 units. So we'll be having different variants in writing electricity bill. If you observe your electricity bill program, you just check out your electricity bill program. On the back of the bill will be having number of conditions, various categories. Category 1 is household, and further 0 to 50 and 51 to 100 is some amount, and so on. Category 2, category 3, and minimum charges. So you try to write a program based on your electricity bill. Check out your electricity bill, and just behind your electricity bill you will be having various conditions. So go through all the conditions. You try to write a complete program of electricity bill. So we have another program, units, amount, surcharge and total amount. Enter units. If units less than 50, amount is something, units multiplied by 2.60 and surcharge is 25. Yeah, that's what I told you. Based on your requirement, you can make necessary changes in the program. You need to write. In this program, we have a separate surcharge for based on units. So units less than or equal to 100, up to 50 units, it is 2.60, that is 130, and excess of 50 units is 3.25, and surcharge is 35 here. And look at another condition, less than or equal to 200, up to 50 units it is 130, that is 50 multiplied by 3.25. you can see the comments over there, and here the surcharge is 45. And we have another condition, and here the surcharge is 55. So based on your requirement, you need to make some necessary changes, and total amount is equal to amount plus surcharge.